Sometimes the heart remembers what the passport forgets. Here in Chiang Mai, we begin every meal with the earth. We don't start with ingredients, we start with story. A leaf that reminds someone of home, a scent that unlocks childhood. In this kitchen, we don't just cook, we listen to the rhythm of the mortar and pestle, to the whispers of the tradition in every stir, to the silence where love begins to simmer. Sticky rice doesn't just steam, it softens us. Papaya salad doesn't just tickle the tongue, it's open heart. Cooking here isn't about precision, it's about presence. We measure not with spoons, but with laughter, and the most important ingredient is always joy. We don't teach you how to cook Thai food. We invite you to feel why this matters. Because when you cook with heart, you take home more than recipes. You take home a part of Thailand. Come hungry more than food. Come home to Asia Scenic, a taste of home far from home.